It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback, like this.
The technician Aaron has performed work at my home before. He's very professional, courteous, prompt, and cleans up thoroughly when complete. One other thing I liked about him is he spoke very highly about the company and how long he'd worked there.
But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.